Sedia gestatoria. The sedia gestatoria Italian, ßɛ́dja di dʒestaťtɔːrja, literally chair for carrying or gestatorial. Chair is a ceremonial throne on which popes were carried on shoulders until 1978 and later replaced outdoors in part with the popemobile. It consists of a richly adorned, silk-covered armchair, fastened on a suppedaneum, on each side of which are two gilded rings. Through these rings pass the long rods with which 12 footmen palafrenieri, in red uniforms, carry the throne on their shoulders. On prior occasions, as in the case of Pope Stephen Roman III, popes were carried on the shoulders of men. The sedia gestatoria is an elaborate variation on the sedan chair. Two large fans flabella made of white ostrich feathers, a relic of the ancient liturgical use of the flabellum, mentioned in the Constitutiones Apostolicae, were carried at either side of the sedia gestatoria. History. The discontinuance, Pope John Paul I initially declined to use the ceremonial throne carried on shoulders, along with several other symbols of papal authority, but was eventually convinced that it was necessary to make him visible to the crowds in St. Peter's Square. He was the last pope to use the portable throne. Pope John Paul Roman II discontinued the use of a throne carried on shoulders in 1978. Neither of his successors, Pope Benedict Roman XVI and Pope Francis, has revived it. The sedia gestatoria has been replaced outdoors by the motorized popemobile, which is often heavily protected and even armored.